Okay, so there's lots of opportunities for our nursing students. So the first one would be if they're beginners or they're interested in learning the language, then we've got our Welsh language skills tutor, and they provide the students with Welsh lessons on a basic level and on a higher level, which improves their confidence, which will just allow them to learn the foundations and maybe hold some conversations with patients and families. There's also countless opportunities on placement. So for us, our local health board is Betsy Cadwaladr. So all of our students will go on to placement in our local health board for half of the programme. So placement is accounts for 50% of the programme. So for a year and a half of the undergraduate programme, they are out there working with real patients and families, and they are 100% going to come across some of those patients speaking Welsh first language. So they get to practice their skills there, they get to contribute to making them feel better, making them feel valued. It actually increases patient safety if they have a conversation with them in Welsh, helps the assessment process. So that is an opportunity they'll have all year round, and it also supports the people in our communities that need that support the most, and need that emotional connection of feeling safe to speak their first language. So that's invaluable. We try and make those lessons as tailored towards the profession as possible as well. So it's just come from a lesson now that looks at different body parts, identifying pain and comforting a patient, for example. Students can submit their work through Welsh, so some might feel more confident speaking Welsh when they do a presentation, for example, so they could choose to do that in Welsh. They could also do their written work in Welsh as well. In terms of being part of the university community, there's countless opportunities to be part of, for example, Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol's branch meetings, where they can really contribute to making changes. They can be the student voice for us, suggest ideas to increase Welsh language awareness on campus, be part of social events, and events that are Welsh-wide as well, Wales-wide, so that they feel part of that wider Welsh community of students as well. And of course we've got the Eisteddfod coming this year, so that's an added opportunity. So a good time to be a student at Wrexham, I'd say, yeah.